Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cyber Munib. Today we will discuss different type of scholarships in France. This is the fourth part of our scholarship series. Firstly we discussed Australia, then Canada, then Germany. Now this is the fourth part. So if you want me to discuss or you can say demonstrate about any specific scholarship or any specific country, please feel free to write in comments. I'll try to discuss in the upcoming videos. So the first and the foremost scholarship for France is the Eiffel Scholarship. This is for international student and it provides a stipend of approximately 1100 euros per month, and they are offered at multiple levels. Let's explore this further. So this is the main website from Campus France, and here you can check the timeline. Um, Timeline varies, like when is the call for application and when you can submit the applications. Then there are these are for institutes, but if you are a student interested in participating, click here. You can click here, and I would highly recommend to go to the regulations guide where you can uh, check for all the requirements, like what you need to do in order to prepare yourself, then what type of level of studies like masters, engineering, joint doctoral programs, and what are the masters component required. So I would highly recommend go through this scholarship in detail, and then proceed towards application, because chances of getting the scholarship totally depends upon how you prepare for the application and how you present yourself. I'll discuss it at the end. The next scholarship is Ampere Excellence Scholarship, and this is for master's degree scholarship, and it is being offered by the host institution ENS Toulouse. And let's explore this up. So these are all the required details. Like it provides around 1000 euros a month, and then there are certain criterias, and all candidates have to provide motivation letters, CVs, diplomas, certificates, and all other transcript records. And afterwards they can submit the application. Specific you can say criteria about IELTS or TOEFL is also required, so you can submit application afterwards. Try to explore it up. I'll post all the links in the description as well. And this is the second type of scholarship that is being offered in France. The third one is Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. This is not purely for France, but this is, you can say, for all over Europe. I'll try to make a separate video of on Erasmus as well, like all the programs being offered in Erasmus. Erasmus programs are for masters, for doctorate as well. At the moment, I'll just discuss the programs of Erasmus being offered by the Campus France. So you can explore this link. There are multiple programs that provide multiple degrees, and you can just go over there, prepare your motivation letter, prepare your CV, prepare your research proposal if required, and then you can apply to the Erasmus programs. So these are the three top scholarships that are being offered in France. There is another way. If you want to apply in France, you can search the faculty member from the university websites or from the research groups. I have made a separate video about how to find research supervisors in different countries. So you can search the supervisor, contact them that you want to study under their supervision. Normally the supervisors in France, like if you want to do research based degree, for example PhD or masters by research in engineering or certain other disciplines, they have their funding, they have their own projects. So you can directly contact them, and they will let you know, okay, apply to this scholarship, certain scholarship, and even they can say that only apply for admission, and we will give you grant or we will give you monthly stipend. So it is one of the most important thing. Like whenever you are applying to France, try to contact the faculty members if you are applying for a research based degree. Final remarks are like make your CV in the best way, make a good research proposal, and make a good statement of purpose. For example, like if you are applying for Erasmus scholarship, your statement of purpose serve as one of the most important component, because uh, statement of purpose demonstrate that your leadership capabilities, your communication capabilities, and all other things. And the final thing is give your 100%, never give up, and you will get a scholarship very soon. Good luck for that, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.